Time now for everybody's favorite segment of the program, a visit by my wife, Jean Edelman. Jean, a student of the healing arts, Reiki, traditional Chinese medicine, homeopathy, acupuncture, and of course, macrobiotic and plant-based cooking. Here's Jean.
Great to be here. Thank you. This week I want to talk about a to-be list. When we go through a transition, a new job, a new house, a new spouse, anything new in our life and different, we're out of our routine. And we humans, we love our routine. Being out of our routine feels so uncomfortable. So here I am one Sunday night, and now I'm laughing. But I was kind of freaking out on Rick saying, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. We left Edelman Financial after 36 years, and I was having a moment of feeling quite overwhelmed. So I calmed down, had a good sleep, and came up with an idea of a to-be list. It dawned on me that we're so anchored to doing. Can we switch to a to-be? I think this is a good challenge because we identify ourselves with what we do when we really should identify and solidify and work on how to be. And so, for example, to be more patient, to be more organized, to be more joyful. I encourage you to sit with a cup of tea and come up with your own to-be list. This to-be list helps us continue our inner journey. How do we want to be? So let's break this list down just a little bit. To be more patient, well, I think we need to take a lot more deep breaths, and I think we need to step back, and we need to think, and we need to put ourselves in the other person's shoes just for a moment. Then we can respond instead of reacting. The second notion of to be more organized, you know what? Clutter creates tremendous stress because that clutter, that pile, whatever it is constantly reminding us that we have to do something. So we need to schedule time to get rid of it, toss it, give it away, or put it away. The third item of to be is to be more joyful. How about being more present and in the moment? That's the key. No lamenting about the past and not having anxiety about what's to come. That's the hardest because we kind of live in this, we can't live in the middle. We live either this way or this way, and our seesaw is kind of at a balance. And so we just need to take a breath and smile and just take in life where we are. So here's our action item. I encourage you to come up with your own to-be list. It can be one thing, and just that one thing, that could take the rest of our life to figure out. So have fun with it. So my words for the week are to be. The T is for teachable. Life is a series of teachable moments. Shifting from to do to be is very profound. It will impact our lives. It will impact our health. And it will impact those around us. When we get really good at to be, others may not recognize us. And that could be fun. The O is for objective. What is our objective in life? Is it to share kindness and understanding? Is it to be joyful and have happiness? Or do we like creating drama and pain? We all know those people. We all know those people. We get to choose every day when we step out of bed how we are going to make our day. When we're working on our to-be list, I believe the outcome will be positive and help us to be the best version of ourselves. The B is for brave. Our personal work, it is not for the lighthearted. We can choose to be bold, daring, and valiant, have no fear so we can move forward and have a happy, fulfilling life. And the E is for effort. Life takes effort. We can change and evolve so that we can be the best versions of ourselves. And you know what? When we make a mistake, apologize and move on. We all learn from our failures. And we learn from our failures so that we can improve and find new mistakes. That's what we always told our staff at the company. Learn from your mistakes and go find new mistakes. And they had a blast with that. They always seem to find new mistakes. You know what? There's no instructions to life. There's no instructions to being a good human being. We're winging it every day, every one of us. And it's an illusion to think that someone has it all figured out. Maybe they have it figured out for themselves, but they don't have it figured out for you. We need to figure it out for ourselves. And so to do that, we need a to-be list to change our world and to create happiness. Have a great week, everybody.